This is the Vivo Y16, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So in order to achieve the goal that I have just stated, we will use the free Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me just go ahead and download it. So now I have the Turbo VPN app downloaded and installed. I can just go ahead and launch it. In here, agree on the terms and continue. Skip the ad. In order to turn on the VPN, just tap on this little caret icon over here. Okay. Ready. As you can see, the VPN connection has been successfully established and enabled. Now once you are done using it, in order to disconnect, open the app, tap on this cross icon over here and choose the disconnect option. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.